Welcome to The Explainer. So today, we're tackling a massive, honestly often overlooked headache for growing teams. I'm talking about the spiraling cost of SaaS documentation. You know, in this era of remote work, your internal wiki is literally your company's collective brain. It holds the whole shebang, from onboarding checklists to complex engineering specs. And you know the drill. You start out with a sleek, beautiful tool, and suddenly, as your team expands, you're paying an absolute fortune just to write down your own internal processes. Well, today we're looking at the open source antidote to this exact problem. It's an awesome platform called Outline.
Let's dive right into Section 1, the Team Documentation Dilemma.
So, is your team's knowledge base actually punishing your budget? It's a serious question that founders and team leads really need to ask themselves right now. Take Notion, for example. It's hugely popular, and look, for very good reason, it is an undeniably fantastic tool. But that beauty comes with a literal, recurring price tag. Notion's team plans usually cost anywhere from $8 to $15 per user every single month. When you're a scrappy startup hiring fast, say you bring on 5 new engineers in a single month, that per-user fee quickly transforms from a minor line item into a major financial burden. It scales completely out of control. You're basically getting financially penalized just for growing your team.
But actually, scratch that. It's not even just about the money. There's a critical secondary pain point here, which is data sovereignty. Think about it. Sensitive internal knowledge simply shouldn't be locked up on third-party servers. We're talking about your proprietary product plans, unreleased code documentation, confidential HR policies. When all of that lives on a SaaS platform, you're entirely trusting someone else's infrastructure. And a lot of startups and enterprise businesses just want that ironclad peace of mind. They want to know their unreleased code isn't sitting on a server they don't control. They want the assurance of being able to independently audit the open source code of the exact tool that's handling their most sensitive data.
Which brings us to Section 2, Introducing Outline. Let's take a look at this open source challenger.
So, what exactly is Outline? Well, simply put, it's an open source team knowledge base that features a really modern, Notion-inspired interface and genuinely powerful real-time collaboration. It actually launched back in 2017, and since then, it's quietly grown into one of the most polished alternatives out there. It's released under a source-available license, and that's absolutely crucial because it provides that transparency needed for security audits, perfectly bridging the gap between that open-source philosophy and strict enterprise compliance. But for the daily users, what makes it incredibly appealing is that its clean, minimalist design closely mimics what you probably already love about tools like Notion. It totally avoids that clunky, legacy system look, making the transition for your team incredibly smooth.
Moving on to Section 3, the Cost Breakdown. Let's talk numbers.
Let's walk through the hard data here, because this is where the business case for Outline becomes practically impossible to ignore. Imagine a real-world scenario of a 15-person startup trying to manage its burn rate. If you've got 15 users on a Notion team plan, you're looking at spending roughly $150 to $225 every single month, depending on your tier. Now, compare that to self-hosting Outline. Your software licensing cost, literally zero. You're only paying for the server infrastructure, maybe a reliable virtual machine on AWS or DigitalOcean, which typically runs a very predictable flat rate of about $30 to $50 a month. And here's the real kicker. That server cost stays exactly the same whether you have 15 users or 50 users.
That flat rate translates into an absolutely beautiful number. You are looking at an annual savings of up to $2,100. That's right, $2,100 kept right in your pocket, with zero per-user licensing costs attached as your team scales up over the year. For a lean business, that's real capital. You could easily fund your entire team's coffee habit for the year, upgrade your development servers, or funnel that right into a brand new marketing campaign. That is the undeniable power of taking control and self-hosting your infrastructure.
Let's jump into Section 4, Core Features and Comparisons.
Of course, saving money doesn't mean a thing if the tool itself frustrates your users, right? Fortunately, Outline is an absolute powerhouse. Imagine your team jumping into a project requirements doc on a Monday morning. You can have multiple people typing simultaneously without a single hitch. It feels exactly like the premium real-time collaboration you're used to in Notion or Google Docs. Need to find an old strategy? Outline features blazing fast full-text search. And your engineers? They are going to absolutely love the fact that Markdown support is baked right into the editor. Throw in a nested document structure, complete revision history so you never lose a draft, built-in commenting for those quick inline discussions, and a super clean REST API for custom integrations, and you have a totally fully featured workspace. It minimizes workflow disruption because it's built to just work. To put this into perspective and give you a familiar frame of reference, it really helps to compare Outline to another popular open-source tool, Bookstack. Outline is highly design-forward and dynamic. It operates like a fluid, collaborative canvas, really leaning heavily into that real-time, side-by-side editing vibe. Bookstack, on the other hand, which is a fantastic platform in its own right, is deeply hierarchical. It's more like a rigid filing cabinet, relying on this strict books and chapters metaphor. So your choice between the two really just comes down to whether your team prefers fluid, real-time collaboration where ideas flow seamlessly, or a very structured traditional wiki format.
All right, Section 5, Limitations and Setup Realities, because we need to be completely honest here.
So you're probably wondering, what's the catch? I always like to ask this directly because we need to build some absolute trust here. You need a transparent, honest look at the trade-offs of leaving a fully managed SaaS product. It's not all sunshine and massive cost savings, folks. When a vendor isn't managing the software, handling the security patches, and maintaining those servers for you, that responsibility falls entirely on your shoulders.
Here is your technical reality check. To self-host Outline, you can't just click a magical single button to deploy. You're going to need a Docker-compatible server environment, plus PostgreSQL for your database, and Redis. It fundamentally requires an IT team with at least moderate Docker experience to set up and maintain securely. Also, keep in mind that Outline is laser-focused on being a knowledge base. If your team heavily relies on Notions, Kanban boards to track sprints, or complex relational databases for project management, you won't find that here. Outline does one thing, knowledge management, and it does it exceptionally well, but it's not an all-in-one operating system. The third-party plugin ecosystem is also a bit smaller. And finally, if you're looking for advanced enterprise features like SAML single sign-on, those are actually reserved for their paid Outline Cloud tier, not this free self-hosted version.
Now for Section 6, your migration playbook.
If those trade-offs sound acceptable and the savings align with your goals, here's a highly actionable 3-step playbook to execute the move without completely losing your mind. Step 1. Use Outline's built-in export and import tools for Notion or Confluence. But here's a pro tip for sure. Test this on a small subset of documents first. Make sure your complex formatting and tables transfer cleanly before you dump everything in there. Step 2. Set up your core collections early. If you don't establish a clear organizational hierarchy right out of the gate, your pristine new knowledge base is going to turn into the Wild West of orphan documents within a week. And Step 3. Run both platforms in parallel for about 2 to 4 weeks. Let the team adjust, get comfortable, and migrate their personal workflows before you finally pull the plug on your old expensive tool.
So, to summarize the core verdict clearly, Outline delivers Notion's polished collaborative editing at zero licensing cost, keeping your data entirely yours. It is basically the ideal pick for teams who want that premium, frictionless editing experience, but absolutely demand data ownership and predictable cost control. When you calculate the long-term return on investment, not just in the literal dollars saved, but in the security of owning your own data architecture, the value proposition of Outline is just incredibly hard to ignore for any growing business.
So here is the final provocative question I want you to think about today. Are you ready to take back your knowledge base, or are you going to keep paying the SaaS tax every single time you hire a new employee? Take a moment to think deeply about what your team really needs to succeed and exactly how much control you want over your own internal intelligence. Thanks for joining me for this explainer. Make sure you keep following the Uplatz series because in our next explainer, we're going to dive into Wiki.js to see what other powerful open-source tools are out there to optimize your workflow. Until then, keep learning and keep building.